If your broker is a market maker, then they will hate this video because they don't want you to know this information. The reason is because what I'm about to show you in this video is going to make you 5 times or 10 times more profits with even less the work that you have been putting in on the market. We are going to do this using a secret called correlation. And I've never seen people talking about this, but this is a very powerful tool in trading. Let me show you how it works. So when it comes to Forex, to make things very simple for you, correlation is just when two currency pairs move in the same direction doing the same thing. And to show you a good example of this, I'm gonna show you two currency pairs that you could place a trade on right now, and you could have made money when the market moved in the same direction. And I'm gonna give you more examples of this. But before I do that, I want to give away the $20 that I promised in my previous video. So I will search YouTube giveaway winner and find any tool that we can use here to pick a random winner. So I'll use this pickawinner.co, right? I will paste the YouTube link. This is the video, if you remember this. If you don't remember this, then you need to subscribe to the channel because I do this type of giveaway here and there. So I'm just gonna put the random link here, fetch, and we say keyword filter. We said if you wanted to win, you should have typed in win rate like this, and don't allow duplicates, and then we continue. Let's pick our winner. Okay, we have 61 comments loaded. Let's see who is the winner for. Okay, CTK, right? So if you are CTK and if you are watching this video, just shoot me a message on Telegram. I will leave the first link in the description, and make sure you can verify this is your email address. Now, if you want to win another giveaway that I will give for this video, make sure you keep watching. I will tell you in a minute what you need to do. Now, back to our strategy. So step 1 is do your analysis as normal. So if you have already your strategy that you have already been using, for me, I use the trend and I use areas of value. I use breakouts, I trade support and resistance, right? So if you have your entries that you are already doing, you need to just do that entry. I'm not saying this strategy you are going to change the strategy that you have already been using. If you don't have a strategy, make sure you check out on the channel. We have a lot of videos that can help you either to create a strategy or that I have shared the strategies that I've already used. So for now, let's say right here I'm trading this support and resistance here. So we see the market moving down here, comes back and then moves to the downside. So here I have two levels of structure. I have this one and also I have this one, and in this case I see the market coming back into this zone right here. Once it's come back into this zone, this is a level of structure, and on the level of structure, what do you see? A big bearish engulfing candle. And now I want to sell. I'm positive that I need to be selling right here according to my strategy. Right now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to place a short trade, and then I'll put my stop loss above here, and then the take profit can be like 2 to 1, 2, 3 to 1, whatever it is. But now this is not the end, because I have not shared any valuable information if I do this, right? So the next step is very important, which is step 2, finding other pairs that have the same strategy. Here's the thing: if you are trading and if you make a good trade on Euro USD, why not make a same good trade on another pair? So now when you do this, the next thing that you are going to do is go to fastable.com. So make sure you visit. I will leave the link in the description below. So once you go to fastable.com, make sure you click on data right here, and there will be a drop down once you see this drop down, click here where it says market trend. So I'll click here where it says market trend. When I click market trend, you're going to go into this market speculative sentiment. So this is a tool that helps you to see if this market is trending up or down. This is not what I want for now. For now, we want to click here where it says market trend. There's going to be another drop down, and then you click on correlation. When you click on correlation, you come here to this page right here. So this is where everything happens. So remember, on our trade, we said euro USD right here. The market dropped to the is likely to drop to the downside. You don't know yet at this point. Of course, for me, this is an example, but you don't know yet what is going to happen. You are expecting the market to push to the downside. You are expecting something maybe like this, and then eventually the market should push to the downside until it hits your stop loss, right? Now you want to go to correlation, and then if this is the 5-minute time frame, you also want to come here and look at the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, which pair have the highest number here, right? So this concept of correlation, it's in statistics, right? Basically what happens is there's what is called positive correlation and then negative correlation. So if the number here, it goes from minus 100 to plus 100, right? So if the number is near 100, that means there is high correlation. For example, euro USD here and then euro odd, you've got a correlation on 5-minute time frame here. You can see this is euro USD, which represents all these pairs, right? And then euro USD and odd USD, you've got a correlation of 91.6% with each other. And this is on the 5-minute time frame, which means they are moving, all of them are moving to the downside because this is red, and then there is 91% chance that they are moving in the same direction. It's almost the same identical chart, right? So let's go and prove that. So at this point, let's say you sell right here. So let's look at the date right here. You can see the date is Friday 8 March, right? And then 1600 hours. This is 4 p.m., right? And then what happens at this point? The market, let's say you said we're looking to sell here, right? At the same time, if we open odd USD at the same time, now when you open odd USD at the same time, this is again Friday 8 March 1600 hours. What do you see? You see the market pushing to the downside, but on this one the market is not here, but it's on the again level of structure, right? The market is on the level of structure. What do you see on the level of structure? I also see the market creating a bearish engulfing candle. And what does this give me? It shows me that again here it's the same chart like the euro USD. So if I'm selling on the euro USD, why not sell again on this one? Just to divest the risk and make more money with less effort on creating or analyzing the market. I can find 3 or 4 charts like this and place the same trade. If I go again on another pair like 87 is low, I want something over 90. So right now at this moment there is nothing over 90 here, so which means we only had 2. But sometimes you can get 3, 4, 5 or even 6 pairs that are moving at the same direction. So let's see in this example what the market did after this, right? So you can see the market started pushing to the downside, right? So is this a 100% winning strategy? No. Here I'm just showing you an example of how the market can move in the same direction at the same time, right? So this market took some time, and then eventually you can see it pushing to the downside. This is an example. Of course, you need to have your strategy that you are using for the first instant that you want to place the trade. You need a strategy for that, right? So this is exactly what happened with odd USD. Let's go back to Euro USD and see if it did the same thing again. Now you can see that the Euro USD did also the same thing. So the Euro USD didn't go all the way to the take profit yet, but you can see these markets are doing the same thing. This is exactly what the other one is doing, and this is what the Euro USD is doing. So what's the catch here? The thing is, once you have that one strategy that you believe in, and you have one pair that you can master, that you know how it moves, you can now focus on that one pair and that one strategy. And then once you do that, you use fastbull.com to get correlation, right? So this website have helped me to increase my win rate because of many things that you can get here, guys. Because if you think about it right now, instead of doing analysis on each and every pair, all I need to do is have one pair. I will master that one pair, and now I will have one strategy and master that strategy. And then now once I have that, I know that, okay, if I get a good trade on 1 hour time frame Euro USD, I'll just come here and say, okay, GBP USD also should have the same move almost because of this 94.4 correlation. Before you go, I want to talk about the giveaway. If you want to get today's giveaway, just type in Fastbull, right? So this is the spelling for Fastbull. Just type in Fastbull in the comments below, and I'll pick one lucky winner in our next video.